Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.2 first 4 problems. For that, the first problem given in this picture, DE parallel to BC, this line parallel to BC. The length of AD 1.5 cm and BD 3 cm, AE 1 cm. So just to find easy in one, we need to find this one. Now by using your basic proportionality theorem, if this line is parallel with your side BC of a triangle, we can write AD divided by DB equivalent to AE divided by EZ. Substitute the value 1.5 by 3 equal to, now using the cross multiplication, 1.5 into AC equal to 1 into 3, so EZ equal to 3 by 1.5. so after cancellation this we can get 2. So we are used basic proportionality theorem for the parallel lines. Similarly, second one, the same triangle ABC, AD value just find, but by use BD 7.2 cm, 1.8 cm of AE, and using EZ 5.5 cm find AD. So it's given DE parallel to BC. So different triangle, different type of lengths. So the same basic proportionality theorem says the two lines are parallel with your one side of a triangle, automatically AD divided by just here BC. So AD divided by DB, AE divided by EZ. Substitute the value. AD we need to find, just using cross multiplication we can find AD value, that is AD equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4 into 7.2. so here all are a decimal value, just multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator, we can write as after 1.8 into 72 divided by 54. This is a multiple of 9. 6 9s are 54, 8 9s are 72. Next 4 3 here 0.6. So 0.6 into 4 2.4. So 2.4 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. Right. Next problem. E and F are points on the side PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. So that EF is parallel to QR of the triangle PQR. So just construct the triangle like that. PQR, draw the line EF. Now EF and QR are parallel lines. So that is, by using basic proportionality theorem, we can write PE divided by EQ, PF divided by FR. So substitute the value. Here first one given PE, EQ, everything, EQ or Q, all those things. Substitute the value. PE, EQ, what are the things given? Now check that answer. Here after cancellation this, here 1.3. After cancellation this 1.8 divided by 1.7. So definitely they are not equal. So if it's equal, we can tell the two lines are parallel, these lines are parallel, otherwise it's not parallel, by using your converse part of the basic proportionality theorem. By theorem 6.2 or theorem Thaller's theorem or basic proportionality theorem converse part, we can tell this is definitely it's not a parallel lines. So what things we need to write? By basic proportionality theorem we are going to think. After that we need to tell whether it's parallel or not by converse part of basic proportionality theorem or by converse part of Thaller's theorem. This, if these things are equal, we can tell the two lines are parallel. So we need to tell this thing, state whether this one parallel or not given, we need to check parallel or not. So by using the converse part of basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, next one, substitute all those things. P4, 4.5, 8, 9. Simple calculation only. Here we can multiply by 2, so we can get numerator, denominator, same number we should multiply. So 8, 9. So that is 8, 9. Or here you just cancel by 2. What happened? 2 4s are 8, that is 4. Now 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, so 0.5, that is 4.5. 4 divided by 4.5. So we can tell these two things are equal. So this is already, you know that how to multiply. Or 4 divided by 4.5, decimal value in denominator, multiply by 10 in numerator, denominator, that is 40 divided by 45. After that you can choose by using cancellation of 5. So 8, 9. So 8 by 9. 8 by 9 left hand side, right side 8 by 9. Any one method just to use. Next things actually given. PQ, PR, PE, PF. That is PQ given. That is the total length given. How it's possible? Already we studied this thing. If a total length given means we need to add a plus 1 in left side and right side. Plus 1. After that we can write PE plus EQ as PQ. So I can write directly PE divided by PQ, PF divided by PR. Or just already you want to tell PE divided by EQ, already we know that, equal to PF divided by FR. Add plus 1 on both sides. So PE plus 1 divided by EQ equal to PF plus 1 divided by FR. Right. Now PE plus EQ FR. Now PE plus EQ, PQ. PQ divided by EQ equal to PF divided by FR. So definitely PR divided by FR. Check. Here what are the things given? PQ and PR, PE and PF. PE and PF. Here PQ, PR okay, PE and PF missing. So PQ it's in numerator or denominator, no problem. But we needed to write PE divided by EQ. So for that, take the reciprocal first itself. So that is this thing. If you want to substitute EQ and FR value, it's given, but PE and PF value is not given. So I can use this thing directly. Or if you want to prove, just first itself find the reciprocal of this one. So already PE value given, no. So already you know that PQ it's in denominator. Here check, it's in denominator. So denominator means first itself we need to write the reciprocal of this one. So it's a given statement PE divided by EQ, PF divided by FR. I can write PE divided by EQ equal to PF divided by FR. So please be careful. PE divided by PQ. Don't write PQ divided by PE. Anyway, we can write, but check PQ divided by PE or PQ divided by EQ. This thing also we can write. So anyway, you want to write the form as per the given data. PE, PF given, no, PE, PF given. So PQ divided by PE, PR divided by PF. Now I am going to give the proof of this thing. The given, no, the proof. How it's possible? PQ in numerator, no, sorry, PQ in denominator, no. So I needed to take the reciprocal. That is EQ divided by PE equal to FR divided by PF. After that add plus 1. Now EQ plus PE divided by PE equal to FR plus PF divided by PF. EQ plus PE. EQ plus PE is PQ divided by this thing. PQ divided by PE equal to PF divided by PF plus FR. FR plus PF. So PR divided by PF. After that you can take reciprocal or you can use directly this thing. So you can write this thing directly because total PQ it's given, no, PQ, PR, total things given. So given PE. So PQ divided by PE or PE divided by PQ. Corresponding things only we need to write. So don't change PE divided by PQ, PE divided by PQ. Don't change like that. FR divided by PR. If you are going to use PQ divided by PE, PR divided by PF, this is correct. So like that, given statement, as per this you can write this thing. After that, substitute the value. Using this cancellation, we can tell these two things are equal. After cancelling this by 2.18 divided by 2.56, no, just 1.28. After cancelling this, we can tell these two things are equal. So definitely these things we can tell by using converse part of theorem. EF parallel to QR. So no need this type of answer. So I am given the idea, go to the given data, given this thing PQ, PE. In that triangle PQR EF, PQ total, no, so that is PQ divided by next one PE, the same side PE equal to next PR given, no, PR divided by next PF, that is PF. So use this thing automatically. Suppose the problem given PQ and PR, instead of PE given EQ, means here changes EQ, that is PQ divided by EQ equal to PR divided by FR. Use the data given, suppose it's given. So next you can solve. You got the idea. Okay. Right. Similarly, next problem. In picture 6.18, if LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, prove that this thing. Okay. Now consider this thing given, actually just seeing the book like that. We need to visualize the triangle form, no? So line and substitute A, B, M, N. This thing, everything given. So first statement what given? In a triangle ABC, LM is line parallel to BC. So I am written here. So LM parallel to, so by basic proportionality theorem, we need to write this one here. By basic proportionality theorem, we can write AL divided by LC equal to AM divided by MP. First one. So okay. Next, AL divided by LC. Check. AM divided by AB. AM divided by MB only we written. AB given. Instead of here, AB given. AM, okay. AB given. AB is a full length. Full length, how it's possible? By adding plus 1. Okay. And also AB, it's in denominator. So if AB numerator means don't take any reciprocal, automatically you can add plus 1. But AB, that full length, it's a denominator, means first itself take reciprocal, after that add 1. So please listen once again. Here we got AM divided by MB. But we need to show that AM divided by AB like that. AB, that is full length. So full length we need to use, means we need to add plus 1. Whether we need to add plus 1 or not, or we need to take reciprocal or not, how can we check? First step, go to the steps here. AB given, that is full length given. Okay. Where it's given, numerator or denominator? If it's given in denominator, take reciprocal. Full length, it's given in denominator, take reciprocal, otherwise no need. Okay. So now why we need to take the reciprocal? Then only that addition possible in denominator. Okay. Now add plus 1. First take reciprocal LC divided by AL. MB divided by M. Already we know that 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 10. After taking the reciprocal, 2 by 1 equal to 10 by 5. We can cancel 2. Both are equal. We can take reciprocal. Now add plus 1. So LC plus AL divided by AL. MB plus AM divided by AM. Now this thing LC plus AL. LC plus AL, this total length AC divided by AL. Similarly, MB plus AM, MB plus AM, that is AB divided by AM. Okay, right. If without taking any reciprocal also we can got it. Finally, you can check. So AL divided by LC. I am given this proof also. Suppose if you are not possible to take reciprocal, you can find your answer also. If AL divided by LC equal to MB divided by AM. Now we return by using basic proportionality theorem. Now using basic proportionality theorem we can write AL by LC equal to AM by. Now add plus 1, finally take reciprocal. No problem. Right. This is the first one. Similarly, second one given LN parallel to CD. In this picture, LN parallel to CD. So draw this picture. In this triangle ACD, we can write by using basic proportionality theorem AN divided by ND, AL divided by LC. So now take reciprocal, or without reciprocal also you can add plus 1. Finally you need to take reciprocal. Okay. Now add plus 1 in numerator and denominator. Take reciprocal. Add plus 1 in numerator and denominator. ND by AN plus 1. LC by AL plus 1. So ND plus AN, LC plus AN. This is the total length ND plus AN. Next LC plus AL. So adding this thing we can write AD, this thing. Now compare first one and the second one. These two equation AC divided by AL are equal. Automatically AB divided by AM equal to AD divided by AN. So this thing is given. This is first itself given. This is the second one. Okay. So I am going to give the without reciprocal form. So that is first one AL divided by LC equal to MB divided by M. We need AB, no? So add plus 1 in both sides. AL by LC plus 1 equal to MB by AM plus 1. So AL plus LC divided by LC equal to MB plus AM divided by AM. Now AL plus LC is nothing but AC divided by LC equal to AM plus MB is AB divided by AM. Now consider this first one. Similarly here in that the second one, AN divided by ND equal to AL divided by LC. That second one by using basic proportionality theorem in this triangle, this thing in triangle ADC. This ADC, first one in triangle ABC. Okay, right. This thing we need to add plus 1, no? So add plus 1 in numerator and denominator, sorry, left side and right side. AN by ND plus 1 equal to AL by LC plus 1. So AN plus ND divided by ND equal to AL plus LC divided by LC. AN plus ND is nothing but AD divided by ND equal to AL plus LC is nothing but AC divided by LC. Check. AL divided by LC. So an divided by an divided by n an divided by nd, this, sorry, here AC divided by LC, that is AB divided by, sorry, first one and second one, this AC divided by LC are equal from 1 and 2. So I can write AB divided by AM equal to AD divided by ND. Like that we can give. So think about the proof. Here AC divided by LC, AB divided by AM. Got it. Next one, AN divided by ND, AN divided by ND equal to AL divided by LC. So we can got here ND only. Okay, so this thing is given wrong, so automatically we not possible to go through like that. So first itself just consider the given one, AM divided by AB. So AM divided by AB, AM divided by AB, it's in top wise. So with basic proportionality theorem only we need to go. So for that AL divided by LC equivalent to AM divided by MB. Now AM in numerator, no, so you can write. Okay, so after that check AB, it's in denominator. So for that denominator AB means go to reciprocal, then do. The same way second one also write basic proportionality theorem, that bigger size in denominator, so automatically take reciprocal and go. So this is the idea. So by this, without a reciprocal, you can get this thing, AM divided by AB instead of AM divided, instead of you can get MB divided by AB. Not possible to get AM divided by MB without a reciprocal. So think the idea of the proof. What I am given in this problem, we can consider two triangles, we can consider basic proportionality theorem, but we need to give our exact answer. For that idea, that bigger total length side, no, AB, where it is denominator or numerator. If it's denominator, go to the reciprocal. If AB it's in numerator, no need to take any reciprocal. This is the idea. So that's why I am given this type of thing. You please don't go this thing. I am given such explanation. So just to go to a reciprocal, first write basic proportionality theorem form and reciprocal, add one, right. Similarly second one, add one, take reciprocal, add one, then go. Finally check that answer. Automatically it's in a reciprocal form, take reciprocal, then you can give your answer. That's all. The same way we need to prove next problem. DE in this picture, DE parallel to AC, this line parallel to AC. Don't consider this line now, consider DE parallel to AC. Next one, DF parallel to EE, then prove that this thing. Okay, now just use the given thing as it is. In this picture, first one given DE parallel to AC. So draw like that, without this thing, draw DE parallel to this triangle ABC, introduce one line DE. Using basic proportional theorem, what we can write? BD divided by DA, BE divided by EC. Okay, and the next one given BD divided by DA, whether it's given or not, go to our problem. BE divided by EC. Here you have BE divided by EC, no problem, leave it. No need to add anyone. Where we want to add plus 1, instead of this BE divided by EC, instead of BE divided by EC, they are given BC. BC means we need to add plus 1 in left side and right side. Suppose next, if BC is in denominator, we need to take reciprocal, then add plus 1. Suppose BC in numerator, no need to add any plus 1. This is the idea. So write as per your basic proportionality theorem ratio, then try to identify whether the given form we have or not. Suppose we have the given form in any one side. Whenever we are going to compare, no, we are going to compare. If any one side means, just leave it. If instead of BE by EC you have BC or AB, so for that we need to add plus 1. Okay, and before that, what we want to check? That full length AB or BC, whether it is in denominator or numerator. Suppose it's in denominator, we need to take reciprocal, then add plus 1 in left side and right side. Okay, next, in the same way, it's given DF parallel to AE, given DF parallel to AE. So DF parallel to AE given. So this triangle. So draw the corresponding triangle. ABE, DF and A are parallel. So by using basic proportionality theorem, BD divided by DA equal to BF divided by FE. Now compare these two things. BD divided by DA, left hand side are equal, automatically right hand side are equal. So from 1 and 2 we can write BF divided by FE equal to BE divided by EC. These two things are equal automatically. Suppose the given problem like that, instead of BD divided by AB equal to BE divided by EC. For that, what we want to do? AB full length given, no, that is EC instead of BC. Full length given, no, full length. B instead of EC given BC means where it's BC denominator. Now take reciprocal of the given this thing. Take reciprocal, that is DA divided by BD equal to EC divided by B. After that add plus 1 and find the LCM, then you can reach this thing. Similarly here also. So idea here, the sides automatically given, so we can compare automatically. Left side are equal means right side are equal. We can tell this answer. Thank you.